This is an in-depth video to my short that I posted on a hack on how to fill nail holes in your wall utilizing toothpaste. If you don't have Bondo or some type of plaster to fill these in, you can use toothpaste. And here are the supplies that you're going to need. Toilet paper, toothpaste, white, and then you're going to want to cover it up with your wall paint. And I have a disposable sponge brush. Let's get started. You can see right here is the nail hole, and we're going to fill that in. Open up your toothpaste, just a little bit on your fingertip. Too much? Right there. You just want to fill that in. Press it in there. Lightly put it across so it just covers. There's no dimple or indentation in there, just like that, like a membrane across it. If you don't want to wait 20 or 30 minutes, you can go ahead and utilize a blow dryer and put it on medium heat. Then you can dry it much quicker. Probably in about 5 to 10 minutes it'll actually dry. Now once it's dry, you'll see this film on the outside of it here, maybe right there. And you're going to take a moistened piece of toilet paper or tissue paper. You're going to want to clean just the outside. Get an angle of the wall here, so you're not going to look straight on. And I'm going to zoom in, so I'm going to zoom out a little bit here. There we go. Okay, so you don't want to look straight on, you're going to want to look at an angle, and you'll see a little bit more of the haze as you're trying to wipe it away. So I can see it here. I'm going to wipe it here. There we go. You don't want to wipe over the hole. Just get around there. Then I'm going to use a dry portion here. Get right on it. You can use a Q-tip too if you really want to be precise with this, but you know, we're just filling a nail hole here. But if you're going to do it right the first time. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to paint over it. So I have my disposable sponge brush, make sure it doesn't drip, and we're just going to wipe over everything. Give nice long strokes to blend everything in. That glob off of there. That was just some dried paint. There you go. Okay. So once that dries, it's going to blend in. You're not going to even notice that there was a nail hole there. And it's all sealed in, covered over with toothpaste and then paint. I'm going to zoom back out here. There you go.